If you use Google Drive every day on Windows 11, this quick shortcut trick can save you time and make your workflow much easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Google Drive shortcut on Windows 11 in just a few seconds. This is perfect if you want faster access to your Drive files without digging through File Explorer every time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Let's get into it. To start, open File Explorer on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left sidebar. You should see Google Drive listed there if it is already installed and signed in on your computer. Now here's the easy part. Click and hold on Google Drive in the left sidebar, then drag it directly to your desktop. As you drag it, keep holding the mouse button down. When you move it over to the desktop, release the mouse. Windows 11 will automatically create a shortcut for Google Drive right on your desktop. That means you now have a fast, convenient way to open Google Drive anytime without going back into File Explorer first. You can double-click the shortcut whenever you want to access your files, folders, and cloud storage instantly. This is especially useful if you use Drive for work, school, or sharing documents every day. If you don't see Google Drive in the sidebar, make sure Google Drive for Desktop is installed and that you're signed into the correct account. Once it's connected properly, it should appear in File Explorer and you'll be able to create the shortcut using the same drag and drop method. You can also rename the shortcut if you want something more organized on your desktop. Just right-click the shortcut, choose Rename, and type a name that makes sense for you. Some people keep it simple and call it Google Drive, while others may label it by account or project name. And that's all there is to it. In just a moment, you've created a Google Drive shortcut on Windows 11 using the easiest method available. No complicated settings, no extra software, and no technical steps needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Windows 11 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.